Dun, 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 dun. Send lawyers, guns, and bunnies. Okay, you're a burb, but you, my friend, you are a bunny type of life form. You're something bunny. Something's bunny in the air. Let's go say hi. Good morning, bunny. How are you today? Are you enjoying the breakfast special? We have deep loam, we have green grass, and we have Northern California semolina. Something like that. Here's a bunny. Hark, a bunny. Getting their breakfast. This bunny is saying good morning to you. Say good morning to the bunny, too. This bunny is hopping to it. Be like the bunny and hop to it. Get your breakfast. Subscribe for more bunnies. Bunny! Who cares about a flock of seagulls? We got a flock of bunnies. I got 3 right here. 1, 2, 3 bunnies. 3 bunnies. Oh, wow. Happy Friday. Be like the bunnies. Eat your breakfast. Listen to the bird song. Fill yourself full of nutrition and hop to it. Aw, cute bunnies getting their breakfast on. Look at that bunny. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's Lucy and Ramona and their brother Sunset Sam. Lucy and Ramona, Sunset Sam. People on the streets trying to get a plan. It's a Mike Nesmith song. Yeah, look at those bunnies. Oh, ain't they cute? Getting their breakfast on. Be like the bunny and get your breakfast on and be full of hop-to-itiveness. This bunny is getting their breakfast. So is in this bunny. And the bird song, huh? Ain't that cool? Look, 1, 2, 3 bunnies. 3 bunnies. Be like the bunny. Eat your breakfast. And then hop to it. Listen to the bird song. Eat your breakfast. And fill yourself full of hop-to-itiveness. Be like these bunnies. These bunnies are filling themselves full of nutrition and motivation to get themselves through their Friday. And then hop to it. Be like the bunnies and hop to it. Hop to it, bunny. Good morning. Good to see you. Have a good day. Aw. The bunny says they love you too. Have a good one. Huh? What? Not a bunny. That's a burb. Listen here, burb. You and the bunnies, I hope you're not fighting over resources. He flew away. I was in the middle of dialoguing with that burb and he flew away mid-sentence. Oh, gosh.